Hey guys, here I am finally with the wonderful flip through I've been promising you guys for a while. I have not done the beginning here. I don't know who these beautiful young women are. And I have not done the side either. So anyway, I brought you to my bed because my little workspace over there it's just not big enough. So, but for that front, all I have to do is take this out. And then it's just this picture in here, so I probably should have done that before I started this, but do we ever do anything the right way around here? No. Anyway, this is not in chronological order. There is no rhyme nor reason to this here wonderful album. Here we go. New Year's Day. That's just us at the door waiting to be let in. Those were her roses, my mother-in-law's roses. They are so beautiful. That's their cat, the cat we found in the wall at my job. And I think this is a Christmas cookie day, looks like. This is just me using up a bunch of my stash, it looks like. This is the day we did our trains and houses. He was just being weird. He's a goofball. I love that picture there. You don't catch him smiling very often, but boy, when you do, it's a genuine smile. This is just a little Tootsie Roll tree I made for a guy that does a lot of work for us at my job. He's like an extra contractor who comes in and helps us with if we step through a ceiling or something. He always comes in and handles things for us, and he loves Tootsie Rolls, so I did that. This was the wine tasting we did at the Christmas party, which is more pictures over there. This was my tree this year. Quotation marks around tree, because we don't celebrate Christmas the traditional way, and it's been a bit of a eye-opener for my children. Anyway, this is my honey bunny, and that's my sister-in-law, my honey bunny, and his sister. He won all the prizes almost at all the games. This is 8.5 by 11 though, that I threw in here real quick. These were Christmas lights that we went to go look at, and we took my niece with us. That is her daughter. This is me and my baby girl. Oh yeah, I used a little clear bow up there. That's my baby girl again. My cutie pie. Looks like this is a lot of citrus twist going on here. But I loved how that came out. It's funny because I go back and I look at them and I remember, oh gosh, I really love these layouts. This was a snow day, which is not something we ever get down here in Georgia. So that was something to got multiple layouts. I came home that day. I remember telling you guys this, but I came home and the kids were still sleeping. And I was like, wake up! It's snowing! So yeah. That was my little snowman there. More pictures of the snow day. So yeah. More pictures of the snow day. Yeah, you got multiple layouts. Sorry, I know I'm all over the place with the camera in my hand. I used a lot of stash, so a lot of it might actually be from Citrus Twist, but, like these came from Hobby Lobby, these hearts. And the acrylics, these acrylics came from Hobby Lobby. Those are my god babies doing little snow angels. Oh, this is New Year's again. We spent it over at my friend's house. Got me a little selfie. Yes, girl. They are firework fanatics out there. It's my sister with her 2 pieces. And she did a run. And this is my Jopie. And she's doing runs all the time. And they are killing it. They are just goals. They got medals all over the place. This is my baby girl. This was last year's recital. I've got this year's recital I still need to do. probably need to go get some more stars. Me. I cropped this completely wrong, but this was the first day last year when they came out with the pumpkin spice. And you could see the pumpkin spice on the label when I originally took it. And now you can't. So, but I saved all my little, anything that said pumpkin or the pumpkin, bring on the pumpkin. I saved all of that for this specific layout. And I did a little washi tape down the side here. And a Spiegel Mom Scraps doily. Oh, here's another washi tape if you're ever wondering ways to use your washi tape up. This is, and you see it. You know, it's a really good way. This is my boss man, my father-in-law. And he walked me out to my car with a beach umbrella. Because you use what you got when you're in a bad situation. So, these are my little nephews. And they, I don't know where they are, but they normally send me like a, you know, one of those cards. And, I don't, that might have actually been one, I'm not sure. This is my little god baby. He was in the turkey pan on Thanksgiving Day. So we called him Mr. Malachi the Turkey. A lot of these papers, though, are just from my stash. And this, I got to use my typewriter. Baby girl was so tired right there. But these are just like random pictures of them when they're either over at my house or just ones that I have. This was the day me and my son spent together. And it looks like I used all Citrus Twist on this one. And then a bunch of sprinkly things throughout. And my typewriter. Let's see. This looks like it was another night out at my friend's. And that's their naked cat. And they always do, we don't celebrate Halloween, but they always do like things for the kids. Where they will make them up little bags and stuff. And like Christmas time, they did those gingerbread houses and stuff. They all got them. They got them all one of those. So they're always doing things for the kiddos. But these are older pictures that I got off that Time Hop app, and I just kind of spushed them all together there. They were at the. She was helping her baby brother off the slide there. You can't see it real well. These are my sister. This is my youngest sister. And her babies. This was her very first haircut right here. One of the pictures of her very first haircut. So I thought that was cute from, you know, this and that. Citrus Twist, though. All the way, baby. I love Citrus Twist, so it's cool. This is Mr. Malachi when he was turning 2. Stay Wild. That's cute. This is my youngest sister. And you guys see I did put the R in there. I didn't lie. I originally made the layout without the R. It was a little dumber girl. A traveling dumber girl. So, sorry about that, Sam. You know I love you. Then a little swap up here. These are just a bunch of little stamps that I stamped out and just fussy cut while I may have been at work. And it was a slow day, maybe. Not sure. This is my baby on his birthday. And this one was a stash buster one, actually. I remember because I was killing the stash there. These were some like random pictures that I didn't quite want to do whole layouts of, so I made the title Outside Fun so that I could get my son and my daughter's pictures in here on these, so that I could do the layout and still document it, and then you can see where I used all the times, because I would have never used those, but I did. Another turkey day here. Citrus Twist, embellishing it up. Oh, my 2 fave gals. This was Mother's Day weekend. And I always, not always, I'm not great. I'm not the best daughter in the world, but I certainly try to spend time with my mom while I can. I'm not going to be here forever. And for a matter of fact, she ain't either. So I want to spend time with her while I can. And then I fell into loving this border. And I did like the next couple of them like that. But this is another stash buster, sort of, kind of. This one was my honey's birthday. Bunch of just Citrus Twist and word stickers and stuff. And this one's Citrus Twist of my goofball kids. They're always being weird. But I thought, I really went all out with the titles on these because I was like, man, I'm just accumulating all these alpha stickers. I need to use them. So that escalated quickly. Used quite a few. This was another Stash Buster video. And I used 2 sticker sheets up, I believe, on this one. Don't worry, if you haven't seen my unboxing of the warehouse box from Citrus Twist, I completely negated bashing any stash lately. Trust me. Anyway. This is my lovely Miss Cheryl, and she's just a really, really great friend of mine. I've got some Spiegel Mom scraps, Spiegel Mom's sequins on here, on this one, and Freckle Fawn, Simple Stories Faith. This is my oldest son. This one I did not do a video on because I was just kind of trying to relax one night, but I did do the border, as you can see, the same border that I fell in love with, and I just used some wood veneer. I did kill another sticker stash on this one, actually, using all these stickers in the background there. I just kind of piled them up in the background until they were all used. And this one as well. This is my youngest nephew, Mr. Brighten. And I used, I think, all of these stickers up. These little bubble ones from the Dollar Tree that I bought and was determined to use, but fell out of love with after I got them home. So I did stamp. No, I didn't. These are all stickers, actually. But these bubbles were empty. They came out of a paper pad, and I filled them up. And then this Capture Today came out of that Maggie Holmes thick sticker book. And I did a smaller section here, and then I just did a doodly border. I don't remember doing a page on this one either, now that I think about it. And I used the rest of the dots up on this one, all the red. This was my son graduating from 5th grade, which, if I can be honest with you, we thought was a miracle. And I think I used all of the border stickers on this layout and that other layout. So that was another sticker sheet gone. And then, of course, my last one here that you guys may or may not have seen the last video that I did. But I just pulled a bunch of stickers from my stash and my big doily, 8-inch, I believe that is. I don't think she has them anymore, though, quite honestly, so you may not want to go look for them. I may be wrong about that, I'm not sure. But I did put a white border around this inner section here to ground it. We came to the conclusion that that was going to be needed. And not with all of them, though, because, like, this one already kind of had lines to determine it, so it was cool. And so I still have a couple sheets back here I'll take out and just kind of have them for whenever I need them. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you have a great weekend. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.